The finale of Blenders Pride Fashion Tour, and it's really getting hot in here. You want to know why? Malaika and Amrita, they both are looking gorgeous in the black outfit. Yes, of course. Mandira, we'll start from you. Tell us something about your collection.
Well, it's been inspired from the 16th to the 18th century of Rococo and Baroque architecture. And to keep it simple, I think it's all about opulence, grace, playfulness, and that's what my muses stand for. What else can I say?
We were grace, opulence, and playful on ramp.
Oh, absolutely. Truly.
Amrita, you walking the ramp after a long, long time. How was it?
Oh, it was fantastic. I mean, I always have, butterflies in my tummy before any show. But like I said, if you look good and you feel good, half your battle's won. And I think Mandira really kind of, pulled that through with ease. We both looked, I mean, I shouldn't be saying this, but really,
stunning.
Yeah, thanks, Mandira. So, half the battle is won, and then you want to go out and have fun and great cheers from the audience, so it made it all worth it.
Did you get any tips from Malaika?
I think now I've been in the business far too long. Yeah, but I was like, what's happening out there? Who's going to be there, and what's the new thing?
I think it's very natural. I mean, she is walking after very long when we're getting ready and stuff. No, this looks good, that looks good, do your hair like this. I think these are natural and normal things that two sisters would share that are in the business together. So yeah, that's what we do.
How exciting was it to walk the ramp together?
I think
it was too exciting.
That was fantastic.
We decided to choreograph it ourselves. We want to do this, we want to do that. We'll walk like this, we'll go left, we'll go right. We did everything on our own. And
I think, that was the most interesting part. The USP of Mandira show was, of course, besides her clothes, the fact that we were walking together. And, the fact that we wanted to look alike and keep everything very similar in, silhouette form. So I think, that kind of really added to everything, that made it more exciting even for an audience point of view as well as for us.
Arbaz was here to cheer you guys, and he was really excited to see Amrita after a long time. What do you have to say about that?
Well, one thing about my brother-in-law, he's our biggest supporter, but we have a different equation. So I saw him cheering for me, and I was really excited. My husband was here, and he was cheering for her. So I think that's the beauty of having, supportive spouses.
Literally. But what was really exciting this time was because I was doing both the sisters, and I thought, and I've been doing Malaika's clothes, but Amrita was for the first time. So I was actually very, very nervous, and this was our first fitting, and being Delhi, so we all have a setup there. So I was a bit nervous, but I'm glad everything went out well, and I think they looked so beautiful and stunning. It's like a dream come true. And I'm not joking, because I'm so passionate about my work. I'm more like a perfectionist, and for me it hurts if something goes wrong, and I take it very, very seriously. And for me, my thing was, okay, I had two things in my mind, ivory or black, and I'm glad they took this. And I'm really happy that, for me it's very important that they love it and they are comfortable, and I really don't care about other people. For me, it's like they should say that I'm comfortable and I'm happy.
And Amrita?
Well, I said Amrita for the first time, and I was very nervous, and I think she's done fantastic. I mean, I can't just say I think it was just superb, and I hope I can do more of her clothes.
Yeah, I
Give
don't
me
think
more
this
opportunity,
is, I don't think
please.
this is the last time Mandira's working with me. I'm going to be obsessive about her now.
God, they're obsessive.
So the next time we have Mandira show, we are sure that Malaika and Amrita are going to walk the ramp, and we are going to be there as well. Thanks a lot for talking to us, guys. With camera person Narayan, this is Akanksha Sharma signing off.